Hi there, and welcome back to Honeybear Ventures. In this episode, we uncover a hidden gem for boondocking in the stunning mountain town of Ketchum, Idaho. We spend some time relaxing by the campfire, proving to our grandson that we are true campers. We don't just drive around. Robert battles swarms of gnats with our handy-dandy bug zapper. We cross paths with some fascinating wildlife, including a curious snake, and cap it all off with a scenic Jeep ride through the golden colors of fall. It is an absolutely beautiful day here. We are in Ketchum, actually north of Ketchum, in a boondocking spot. And I just have to ask, does it get better than this? This is so gorgeous. Perfectly beautiful sunny day. Amazing. While we were out walking, we ran across this curious snake. Fortunately, I have no fear of snakes. Hey, bud, this one's for you. This is the evidence that Gigi and Papa actually camp. We don't just drive around. It is hot. I'm not even close to the fire and it's already turning around.
No.
Look, it looks like a turkey.
That's right. It's a turducken.
That's right. I want you to get one and be able to see it go pop, 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 pop.
Here, go pop, 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 pop.
Ooh, that's a good one. so weird.
Hi.
Just to give a bit of context, our boondocking spot is 18 miles northeast of Ketchum, Idaho. We were able to take our Jeep up into the mountains to check out the beautiful fall colors. Nestled in the heart of the Sawtooth Mountains, Ketchum is where small-town charm meets big outdoor adventure. Ketchum may be best known for its world-class skiing at nearby Sun Valley Resort, but it's also packed with history, art, and amazing food. Downtown is filled with cozy cafes, art galleries, and boutique shops, perfect for a relaxing afternoon stroll. Back in the late 1800s, Ketchum was a booming mining town. Today you can still see hints of that old western past mixed with modern mountain style. Here's a fun fact. Famous writer Ernest Hemingway spent his final years here, and his legacy still echoes throughout the area. We love that Ketchum still feels peaceful and genuine, a place where you can slow down, breathe in the mountain air, and just enjoy the moment. As we traveled, we were in search of a dump station. We happened to travel through the town of Hailey, Idaho, and there is a great dump station there, which I'll show you in a minute. Hailey is a charming small town located just 12 miles south of Ketchum, in the heart of the Wood River Valley. It's often considered Ketchum's laid-back neighbor with a friendly local vibe and beautiful mountain scenery all around. If you're traveling through Ketchum or Hailey, Idaho, there's a dump station located in Hailey at the Roberta McCurcher City Park, at the intersection of Idaho Highway 75 and South 4th Avenue on the south side of Hailey. And just so you know, these statues are a great landmark, so look for these if you're looking for a dump station. As the dump station is located right behind these statues, right behind that bush. If you would like to see more of our boondocking spot near Ketchum, Idaho, check out last week's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'd love it if you would leave us a comment. Thank you so much for joining us this week, and we'll see you soon.